Good morning. Here is today's cue card. Describe a person who is good at making people feel welcome in his or her home. You should say who this person is, how you know him or her, how he or she makes you feel welcome, and explain how you feel about the person.
When it comes to creating a welcoming atmosphere, there is no one quite like Mr. Khan. He has been a part of my family for as long as I can remember, and I have known him since I was just a kid. Every time I step into Mr. Khan's house, it's like stepping into a warm embrace. He greets me with a big smile and a firm handshake, instantly putting me at ease. And let me tell you, he doesn't stop here. Mr. Khan goes out of his way to make sure I feel right at home, offering me a comfy spot in his living room and a drink to quench my thirst. But it's not just about the physical comforts. Mr. Khan's take the time to really connect with me, asking about my life and sharing his own stories. And let's not forget about the food. His family makes the most amazing homemade snacks and meals, and he insists that I dig in and enjoy. I have so much admiration and affection for Mr. Khan. His genuine warmth and generosity make me feel like part of the family every time I visit. I always leave Mr. Khan's house feeling so grateful and cherished. His hospitality is true example of what it means to make others feel valued and respected. I'm incredibly lucky to have him as a friend in my life.